Hey guys, welcome to Chris Hansen Barbecue. Today we're going to be grilling a pork chop with a homemade raspberry chipotle sauce. It's going to be excellent. I'm in New York City. It's in the high 90s. It's miserable outside, but we all got to eat and we got to eat something good, so we're going to be grilling. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, time to make our sauce. All I'm going to do is first, I got about 3/4 of a cup of ketchup. I'll put that in. Nice. Alright. Now we got our jelly. Now I got this one because this was seedless. This is a 10-ounce jar. The whole thing's going in. I'm going to do the whole thing. We're just going to plop it all in there. All right. Jelly tastes pretty good. All right. So next, doing a 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar. All right. Then we're gonna jump over to some mustard. I'm using regular yellow mustard today. There we go. All right. So we got our 2 tablespoons of mustard in there. Beautiful. We put about a 1/4 cup brown sugar. Get that whisk out, because even though I have it on a lower sheet, it's starting to heat up. All right. So next, I'm going to use roughly about 4 ounces of honey. So 4 ounces of honey for me is this 1/2 bottle right here. So I'm just going to squeeze it in, squeeze it all around. That's perfect. All right. So now we're going to come to our spices. We're going to be doing about a tablespoon of garlic powder. All right. Also going to be doing about a tablespoon of dried onion, chopped dried onion. Nice. These spices are going to give it a really good flavor, really good. And last but not least, we're going to be doing a tablespoon of red pepper. All right. All right. So I'm going to turn the heat up on the stove. I want to get this to a boil. In the process, and at the same time, I'm going to be stirring it up really good. That's it right there, you know. Now, all we're going to be doing, let that come up to a boil. We're going to let that be really fast. It's going to come up within next minute. We're going to have a nice rolling boil. One more thing I wanted to put in. I just wanted to put in just like a little dash of pepper. This is I use coarse pepper on this one. That's gonna give it a nice little extra. All right. Stir that up. All right, so we're gonna let it come up to a boil. Start really good. Then after the boil, we're gonna immediately reduce it down to a simmer. I'm gonna let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. So we got the grill already lit. Since we're only doing a couple pork chops today, I did about 3/4 the way up with charcoal in my chimney. I'm using that Kingsford Professional. That's that high heat one. And I'm using the Weber lighter cubes as always. I think it works awesome. One thing I just wanted to say about those Weber lighter cubes. First off, well, if you haven't tried them, definitely give them a try because it's a lot easier than newspaper. It works really good. It never failed me. But anyway, a lot of people, they put the lighter cube down, then they put the chimney on top. I don't do that. What I do is I actually put the lighter cube in from the top, put it on the bottom of the chimney. Well, then all I do is I lift up the chimney and that's it. I lift up the chimney and light it, put it down. So I actually put it inside the chimney, but you can do it either way. But anyway, we're gonna get our meat seasoned up. And alright guys, so we got our 4 pork chops. We got 4 pork chops here. You know, just regular pork chop, nothing too special. So we're gonna put a rub on them first. Now, for those who watch my videos, you know that I used Old Thompson steak and burger seasoning in the past, and I like it. I'm a fan of it. Just so happens I found this when I was out shopping. This is Old Thompson Raspberry Chipotle. So it smells pretty good. I could smell those that chipotle, the chili peppers and chipotle peppers in there. It smells pretty good. It definitely, I think it definitely has a kick. But all I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna go too heavy with this because I don't know how hot it really is. Alright guys, we're back. Alright, let's see. Alright, we're showing a nice hot temp at 450. I'm gonna throw this on. You can see how I spread the coals out. Kind of spread them out in the middle. That's how I want it for this cook. Just like a steak or burgers. So I put the chops on. Now these chops, they're glistening very nice. I guess that's from the salt drawing out the moisture in the meat. They got a nice glisten going. There's some nice sirens in the background. It's nice. That's New York City music right there for you. Alright, so anyway guys, this is only going to take a couple minutes. We're going to check back in like 4 minutes. And we're probably going to flip them at that time. So you don't want to go too far once you put your chops on. Especially if they're right over on direct heat. So we'll be back in a couple. Alright guys, it's been about 4 minutes. Alright. Alright, I'm definitely flipping. Definitely flipping. See that meat kind of sweating, bubbling right there? It's getting really white around the edges. It's time to go. It's time to get flipped. Alright. Okay. Okay. Wow, those chops are looking good. We don't even need a sauce. We could just cook these up and eat them like this. Alright, so anyway, we're going to leave this on for probably 3 minutes. We want our cooking temp to be over 145. Anything under 145 is no good. Alright, so this is what we got from that sauce. Got a big heaping cup right there. Looks good. Alright, we're going to take it over. Has a nice little kick to it too. All that red pepper in there. It's good stuff, man. Alright, let's alright, good. Now, what we're gonna do, just gonna kind of separate these a little bit. Kind of kick them off. We'll want a little indirect. I'm gonna leave this direct because it's a little bigger right there. So we want indirect right now. We're just gonna put the sauce on. Nice and easy. Nice. Oh man, look at that. That's really nice. Alright. Nice. There we go. Alright guys, all we're going to do is let that go for about a minute. And we're going to flip them and resauce them. Alright, we're going to flip them, get the other side going. Alright. Boom. Very good, very good. Alright, so let's get that sauce going on. Look at that. Oh, looks really good. So what I'm expecting for a taste is, I guess, sweet and spicy. That rub and the sauce, gonna get a nice spicy kick, and the sauce is providing plenty of sweetness. Got that brown sugar, jelly, and the honey. So I think we're gonna have a nice balance going on. But all right. That looks good. I'm gonna give it a minute, flip it, and go from there. Alright guys, I'm gonna take these off. Tell you one thing, it smells delicious. It smells really, really good. So, just like anything else, just like steak, we are gonna wanna rest these. And I'm going to rest them for about 10 minutes. We definitely want to rest them because we want those juices to flow back and get centralized. And we want to have a delicious, juicy chop. So we're going to let these rest and we'll be back. Check that out. That looks good. That is a beautiful pork chop. So it rested for about a little over 10 minutes, and it's time to eat it. My mouth is watering. I think this is going to be a little on the hot side, but you're going to have a nice sweet flavor in there too. So hopefully it's a nice balance. Let's check it out. So when you get a pork chop, this is my favorite part. That tenderloin part, you know. I'm gonna take it right from here. It's cooked good. That little fat right there, take that off. All right, looks cooked very good. Wow. All right, tastes very good. It's not really hot. What it does have is a little heat after the bite. Not too bad though. Very, very good. Oh man, this was a great cook. So, anyway, guys, try this out. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. I know I'm gonna love it. It tastes so good. I'm sure you're gonna like it too, especially if you don't mind the little heat. But anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. Any questions, hit me up. Any requests, go for it. Subscribers, thank you. Subscribers that haven't, hit that notification bell. This way you know when everything new pops up. And you guys enjoy barbecuing. Have a good day.